Right, good morning everybody. So today we are going down to Brands Hatch to watch Luke attempt some drifting. So should be a good laugh. I've just got in the car. Brands Hatch is only a stone's throw from my house, so it won't take long to get there. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. And we're here, just like that. So we're down at Brands Hatch. I'm just waiting for Luke to arrive. You can see, just see it on the circuit now. There's a bit of the circuit there, and then I think this is where the drifting's going on. So it should be a good laugh. Ah, here he comes now. Here he comes now. Right on cue. Yo!
What's happening?
Right, so like I said, we're down at Brands Hatch for Luke's drifting event that his lovely wife bought him as a present, wasn't it? Was it for your birthday?
My birthday last November.
There you go, birthday last November. That's how long it's taken us to figure out a day to come down here and film it. So yeah. Luke,
Yo.
how do you think you're going to get on?
Well, let's just say the last time I went sideways in anything was a go-kart beat me crashing my 350.
Oh. That's not good.
No, I think it'll be alright.
At least you've got a licence to go sideways here. And if you dink it into the barriers, their problem.
I hope it's their problem. To be fair though, the space is so big that I'm going to have to do some real stupid driving to be able to crash it. Do you think 3 hours is too long? What do you think I'm going to do?
I don't understand how you can be in there for 3 hours. You're going to be absolutely knackered. It must be
Well, I'm guessing it's on off. I'm guessing it's like an hour of coaching and an hour of driving and something like that. Do you reckon we get to an hour of tandem at the end? Imagine they managed to teach us that quickly.
What? You become a pro drifter within
we were
3 hours
already. It does say Pro Drift Academy.
Oh, that's true. How many? I wonder if there's people here on like repeat sessions.
Mate, I want to come back again. If I don't hate it. Also, after this, you realise I'm going to be trying to drift the Scooby everywhere. Just lock the rear diff. See, look, that's that's where your view from.
Yeah. Mate, you couldn't have asked for better weather today, could you?
I know, I'm sweating. I'm on all dark colours.
I love the fact that they get the track a bit wet. We'll get you sliding.
Yeah, because otherwise they'll be changing tyres every session.
Have they got anything on the circuit today? Oh, looks like they got a track day.
Why do you say that?
We'll see all the cars lined up.
Oh, yeah.
Might see some of the general public smashing their cars to pieces as well.
We still haven't managed to film a crash yet.
Oh yeah, I know.
We might be about to though.
Ah, need a crash.
Are we actually going to get one of my crashes on film this time?
Hopefully. I'm going to keep this rolling. I've got both the batteries.
Huh?
Can you crash it just so we get crashed? But don't crash over. Just go. The accelerator's
there's no brakes,
stuck.
no
It's
brakes.
stuck, and just go straight into a wall. Go straight into the bar.
I've just been sitting. Well, imagine that. If we don't get some money and you've been framed, I'll be really disappointed. Where we gotta go?
What we gotta do?
What we gotta do? Let's go.
Oh, where we going, Luke? Did they go where to go for registration? Probably there, I'm guessing. Oh,
We gotta go in there.
that's the toilet. Oh, Lord.
It's on the phone, I'm guessing.
For this
We're going to drift one of them. Is that what we get to do?
I'd like to drive that. Huh? It's a cool picture. That's what I need in the living room, in that big blank wall.
Where the TV is?
Yeah.
Take the TV out just for that.
Yeah. So Luke's just signing on. Let's see him through there somewhere. Work for this. So I took the opportunity to grab a bacon sandwich. What took so long? You forget to spell your name?
No, you've got to fill out like a load of forms and stuff.
Oh.
I paid the £20 damage waiver so I don't have to cover any costs if the car gets broken.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, otherwise you've got to cover the first £1,000. Apparently I got to find the email from when Jordan booked it. No idea where that's gone.
Why?
Because apparently the type of one it is, because it's a brand tax, you might have to pay a surcharge. It was only
What?
£10, so I just paid it.
So now you got to see if they're going to give it back to you.
I'm not sure whether I care enough to sit there and look through it.
Are you excited?
I'm a little bit nervous, you know.
What are you nervous about?
I don't know. I'm genuinely a little bit worried to get in it again. Getting a 350 again if I'm sure I'm getting in.
Just have horrible flashbacks. Well, imagine that.
Oh,
You get in the car and you just go and like have a panic attack.
Oh, what are you laughing about panic attacks? Jesus.
Because if I saw you have one right now, I don't think I'd be able to contain myself. I'd have to go to hospital from laughter.
I don't think I can have a panic attack.
I don't think that's quite possible.
I
really.
contain all my worry interior.
Luke cries himself to sleep at night. That's how he gets over it.
How did you know? Is that because we slept in the same room? You heard me. I tried to do it so quietly.
I just about heard you over me crying myself to sleep.
Our main purpose of the academy is we teach people the professional level of drifting in about 10 levels of training. Most people think it's years. Awesome, so you guys can go out onto the front of the house and the guys will take care of it. Thank you guys! No! What? Whoa guys! Not funny man, not funny.
What did he say?
Yeah, he obviously said you just don't catch the steering wheel. You understand everything. Huh? You understand everything? You worried?
A little bit. I hope I don't get an MX-5 though.
What? You don't want to get an MS5? We got ask the guy if we were cold. Luke, don't crash.
88 mile an hour and I'm like, have fun buddy. Richard.
Around where that blue cone is,
Yep.
that's where we want to start in the shade.
Yep.
Okay, so we want to go clutch down, big pull on the handbrake, really commit to it,
Yep.
and then off the clutch again. Okay? We want to come off the power as well,
Yep.
and just let the car slide out on us.
Yep.
Okay, just get used to it. Okay, just like that. Probably will get wet at some point as well, but you know, I think it cools you down.
Ross, I've got one Justice visor just was falling down.
Hey.
Let's get wet.
Yeah, a little bit. The first time I got soaked. When you're in the passenger seat of that one, right? When you're in the passenger seat, as soon as you go around there, it just goes and slaps you in the side. But then as soon as I got the driver's seat, I didn't get it. He got it instead.
What did you think?
Before you go out there, it doesn't make any sense.
What about lifting the clutch and handbraking?
Yeah, doesn't make any sense. But then when you That's a lot cooler, mate.
Can't realize you can't see your facial expression. All I can see is.
And what's
Look like you're doing alright out there.
Finally kind of thing that I'm good at.
Huh?
Mate, he's just literally said to me, he's gone, honestly, you need to do one-to-one. He was like, that
Well,
was...
hold on. Well, hold on. I can get Luke's head in now.
He went, you need to do one-to-one. He went, because you've literally got it straight away.
Yeah, mate, you look like you was doing alright out there. Hello, mate. Hello, you alright? Okay. So go all the way down to the paddock. I'll drive all the way down to the paddock and drive through the paddock gates and you'll see our car. Or you'll see my car. You'll see Luke's. Alright. Alright, and I'll start walking up. Right, sit.
Yeah, but that's not how it is.
Yeah, he's got a training.
Kid. Driver's seat. Please.
One of them was awesome.
Yeah, the second one?
I can't remember.
Second one looked like the best. I'll be surprised if anyone beats it. Was that it?
Good work. 74, dude, 74 points. It's past everyone already. Good work, man. Good work. So I'm going to continue in second. Did you guys bribe them? No? Right. In second place. Come on, drum rolls. Wait. 85, let's go for it. Luke! Woo! Good work, Luke.
It's like a horror film.
Did you enjoy yourself today?
Yes.
How much? On a scale of 1 to 10.
I'd say an 8. Because
8?
you don't actually get to do enough driving, I don't think.
Ah. That's still pretty good. Oh, when you're doing it again?
I've got the booking thing, so we just need to book. We need to travel to Birmingham and go to level 1.
I guess the most important question is, why did you come second?
Apparently they bribed the driver.
Right.
La la.
Right, so that's the end of the day. We're heading out now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, check us out on Instagram, rlinert_RT, and we'll catch you next time.